Just the, if you want to lock layers, then you can lock which one you want to lock, just like this options. So you can lock this one, okay, and you can unlock from here. If you want to create a new group, so you can create a new group from here, just like name a new group and it will create a new group. Okay, and if you want to delete this group, just right click and you can uh, change things, just like to convert it to smart object, delete group, ungroup layers, then it will ungroup all the layers from the group. Okay, again the new group, and you can just select the layer, you can press Ctrl G to make it under this group. Okay, and you can do from the, just like the artboard from layers, the artboard from group. Okay, so it will show you the artboard, just like here you can add a multiple artboards, just like from here I just added a new artboard. Now I can do things from here and from here. Okay, just like this I can work on both of these, just like this is my artboard and this is my group. You can create it a group also. Okay, so first I will delete just artboard. Now it's come to my single artboard, and if you want to ungroup this one, or then ungroup, because you can't delete the artboard because it's a single artboard, so we can do it to the ungroup. Okay, so this is my image, and fit it to the artboard, just like press Ctrl T or Shift Alt and just stretch it. Okay, all right, so the more options film, just if you want to export it as a PNG, then you can just export it as a PNG. Click here and you can export as you see the preferences. We will study uh, this in the save section. Okay, so the duplicate layer is, it works as a Control J. It will duplicate a new layer, just like if I will press a Control J, same as, and this will create a new layer. You can name it, and it will create a new blank layer. Okay, and it will make the copy the CSS and SVG, and they will work in the, just like if you are working in the objects, then you can copy the CSS and SVG of the objects. Okay, and it will make you the collapse all groups if you have a groups, just like this. If I will create one group from here, one group from here. Okay, and come to this one, then you can just press Control and open bracket, then it will comes under. Okay, the minus is for the outside, and if you want to make it under the group, then press Control and close bracket, then it will come under the group. Okay, now all these groups are my open, then you can just click here, and if I close collapse all group, then it will collapse all my groups. All right, so here then you can just create a convert to smart object. For that you have to select the layer, we have just selected this layer, and it will convert into the smart object. To make it normal, you can just right click and rasterize it. Okay, so these are the properties, just like the blending modes. You can create a blending mode, and it will create a new blend, show you the blending mode of this image. You can change these things. I will we will learn these things about in the layer style section. Alright, so this is just like the merge visible. It will merge all the layers and groups to show you the single one. Just press Ctrl Z to reverse. The flatten image, it will same work, just like the flatten the image and lock it, just like the new one. Alright, so this is the, just like the animation options. It will work in the timeline. So the panel options, you can see the, just like the thumbnail, these are the small one, then you can use this one, and it will make you the bigger one. Okay, all right, and these things are done. So now this is when you click on the right click of the image, then you can see the image properties. It's like if you want to convert into the smart object, this same property, just like export as PNG. If you want to export only this layer, then you can export it only from the PNG, export as PNG using this, the right click and export as.